Dividing numbers by 2, applying quick and easy steps. 8,529 divided by 2. Hence, not all of these numbers are divisible by 2, so let us first make these numbers divisible by 2. 8 is divisible, so this will remain 8. 5 is not divisible, so we go down. 4, carry 1 to the next digit. Next digit becomes 12. 12 is not divisible by 2, so let's go to the next digit, which is 9. 9 is not divisible by 2, so we go down. 8, remainder 1. 1 becomes our decimal digit, so let's add 0 so that it will not be divisible by 2. All the numbers now are all divisible by 2, so let's start dividing. 8 by 2 we have 4. 4 by 2 we have 2. 12 by 2 we have 6. 8 by 2 we have 4. Let's now go to the decimal digit, so we place the decimal point. Divide 10 by 2 we have 5. Our answer is 4,264.5, applying quick and easy steps.